Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new here, my name is Stacy and I like to share my everyday life projects with you. Those projects could include planting, gardening, crafting, and DIY and more. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can also hit the notification bell and YouTube will notify you when I put out a new video so you don't miss it. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. So today's video, I want to share with you how my amaryllis are doing. I want to give you a quick update. Now, I planted a couple of amaryllis bulbs in a past video. One that I purchased online for close to $20, I think, after I paid shipping. And the other one, this one here, from a big box store. This one came from Walmart right off the shelf, and it was already planted up for me in the container with the potting mix. All I had to do was water it in and then just sit it in a sunny location, and that's pretty much it. And guys, look what you get for under $6 at Walmart. With the container, potting mix, and bulb all in one, ready to go. I'm kind of blown away by this. I certainly want to purchase more next year. Now yesterday I noticed that it had bloomed out fully, and so I wanted to go ahead and measure it. So I did measure it. It's 6 inches from top to bottom, really from side to side. And I went ahead and measured this flower stalk here, and it measured about 27 inches. And I just think for, again, under $6, what you get, and it's just so beautiful. I just think it's crazy. I'm loving it. And so this one here, Amaryllis Marquee, a beautiful white flower, and it has a lot of petals because it's a double flower. So beautiful here. Mostly in all white. It does have a little bit of kind of a lime green look to it. Now you can see here that on this flower stalk there are multiple buds, and then on this second flower stalk it just started to open up. It has a bud there, and so I'm really happy with the performance of this amaryllis from the big box store. So guys, here is the second amaryllis bulb that I planted up the same day that I did this one here from Walmart. Now this one here had no green growth at all, just a single bulb that they ship to your house, and you have to plant it up in your own container with your own potting mix. And so you can see now it has some green growth, a couple of inches, and here I see some growth happening as well. So really excited about that. This one is called Red Peacock, and so it should produce beautiful red flowers. So I'm really excited. In a few weeks it'll be, you know, February, the month of Valentine's Day, so I'm hoping that I'll see some beautiful red amaryllis flowers for Valentine's Day. We shall see. Now this one was a lot more expensive than this one here that I purchased from Walmart, so I'm really hoping it starts to take off and it does well for me. We shall see. I hope to share an update with you later on. Now guys, if your flower petals start to fade and look kind of bad, you can just pull off that one individual flower, leaving the other ones here to kind of grow and bloom and do their thing and look pretty. Now, once your whole plant is kind of done, you can actually treat it as an annual and just toss it out. But amaryllis can be, you know, saved. Those bulbs can be stored if you care for them properly and store them properly. You can plant them up next year and they'll bloom out for you once again. So really it's whatever you want to do. If you want to treat it as an annual, kind of one and done, or kind of care for those bulbs to plant them out next year so you have more blooms. It really is up to you. I know with the cheaper bulbs from Walmart that would be easier to do. Now with the, you know, more expensive bulbs that you purchase, around $20 a bulb, you know, it's really hard to just kind of throw them out at the end of the season. I think it's probably best if you try to learn how to care and store for your bulbs. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you missed those videos where I share with you how to plant these up, add some Spanish moss as a top dressing, go and check out those videos now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.